This is a new channel that I ran across and I wanted to share it with you. This is what we have for Shout Out Sunday, and it's going to be 3 garden channels. Now, most of them are not small exactly, but they're not big. He has 650 followers, so I wouldn't say he's small exactly. He's been around for a while. He has 165 videos. Farmer Marshall, Urban Garden, and he does a lot of great gardening tips and a great garden channel. Go give him a try and check him out. And don't forget to tell him that Grandma Sandy sent you. So go check out this great channel. And I've only watched a few of his videos because I just found him. But I think you will enjoy his content. Now, like I said, he's not a big channel, but as you can see, he's got a lot of people coming over and watching his content because he does a lot of great videos. The first one here that was done 11 days ago has 193 views. But the next one over, doing the garden tour, he got 3,600. Oh my gosh, isn't that wonderful? And that was in 2 weeks. So you can tell he's a pretty good channel. Just a lot of people haven't found him yet. I don't even want to think where he's going to be in another year from now. He's doing great. He is moving that channel right along. So if you like gardening channels, go give this one a try. Maybe think about joining him. I know I did. So don't forget to go tell him Grandma Sandy sent me. She says you're a pretty good gardening channel. Now let's go see our second gardening channel and see what they're up to. Now, this is a small channel just starting out, so they need your help. So go over and check out this gardening channel, Falling into Compost. I love the title right off the bat. They got 78 followers and they have 49 videos. I've watched several of videos. I really watch mostly because of the garden, but they do have up more than just gardening videos on this channel. I really enjoy the gardening videos, but like I said, there's more than just gardening videos on this channel. So please go check it out, and don't forget to tell them that Grandma Sandy sent you. That way they know that I have given them a shout out. I will leave them a comment and let them know also, because I always want people to know when I'm shouting them out. This one you're going to love too. He did have a little trouble with his carrots. And you know, I used to have a horrible time growing carrots. And I tell you, I could only grow them in containers, like he's growing them here, but he also grows them in his yard. And once I got some of those carrots going in my yard and they dropped their seeds, that's how I've actually got my carrots growing. I do throw out carrot seeds, and sometimes they take and sometimes they don't. But because I let my carrots go to seed, I always have carrots growing in my garden now, even if I don't throw carrots out. I do put carrots in my green stalks because they do really well there, and they love container gardens. So if you have a small garden, they'll do great in containers. Take it from me. That's how mine do. But they'll do fine in my garden now, because now they've been growing in my garden from the containers. And the seeds blew into my food garden, and now they're doing fine. They do better without my help. I think I'm the one standing in the way of a lot of my seeds coming to full swing. But it seems like nature and the fairies do a better job than Grandma. So please go check out this channel and see what he's done with his carrots. And he's also, planting onions. I have never really done onions. I need to do that, I think. And I am growing some green onions for the first time, and we'll see how they turn out. And I'm also going to grow some potatoes for the first time this year also. Not the russets, because they're pretty cheap, but I'm going to grow some of those purple potatoes because they're very expensive. So go and give my guy a try and see what you think of his garden and what he's up to. I really like the channel, and I joined him today. Don't forget to let him know that I gave him a shout out. This is another new channel. I have watched her before, but I decided to give her a shout out today. She's not brand new, but she's not real big. She's got 660 followers, 71 videos, and it's called Plants Loving Jay. Basically, her channel is for houseplants. And we all, well, I shouldn't say we all, I struggle with houseplants, and I know a lot of you do. And this is a great channel to go and check out if you're trying to grow stuff indoors because it's so cold outdoors. It's a good channel because if she gives you a lot of information about lighting and stuff. But if you just love beautiful houseplants, she does beautiful, beautiful work in her home with so many beautiful plants. You're going to really enjoy her content. Like I said, she's got 660 followers and 71 videos. This is a great channel that's going to give you lots of information about lighting, soil, and how to care for those beautiful houseplants you have spent a lot of money for. So go over and give her a try and check her out. As you can see, she has quite a few views, even though she's not a big channel. I mean, 435 views for one video is not bad. Another one for 491 in 4 weeks. And this one here over 1,000. And this one over 1,000. And this one over 1,000. So you know she's got to be a pretty good channel to get numbers like that when she only has 600 followers. So this is a channel you might want to go check out if you have trouble with lighting in the houseplants. If you like houseplants, or you want to start growing houseplants, or you just want to put a garden in your house, you can feel like you're gardening even in the middle of winter if you're in Canada or New York. So this is a great channel to give you lots of inspiration for your house garden. So go check her out, and don't forget to tell her Grandma Sandy sent you. We want to give some great shout outs to some great channels, and this week it was gardening channels. So I hope you enjoyed what we shared in the wonderful channels. Please go check them out if you're looking for new friends and see if you can make some. That's how you grow a channel. You go and don't go look for those giant channels. The giant channels are only good for two things. One, to give you inspiration to make better channels, to get wonderful ideas and creative ideas which you can move over to your channel. They do not give you friends or followers. You need to work with the smaller channels. That's where you make your friends. And don't get me wrong, these channels are not big, but they still give a lot of inspiration and some great ideas, like this one on houseplants and how to work the lighting. So hugs and kisses to all of you. Go make some new friends. I just gave you 3 wonderful garden channels. Hope you enjoy them. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. We'll see you tomorrow.